Every day, we interact with countless products that promise convenience, effectiveness, or luxury. But what if some of these products are not what they seem? Hidden scams are lurking in everyday items, tricking consumers into paying more for less, or even compromising their safety. In this detailed exploration, we'll uncover how these scams work, identify the products most often involved, and provide actionable tips to avoid falling victim. From misleading labels to overpriced green products, it's time to shed light on the truth behind these deceptive practices. Premium branding is a powerful tool used by companies to justify higher prices. Everyday items such as bottled water, toothpaste, or coffee often come with premium versions that boast superior quality or added benefits. However, many of these claims are exaggerated, if not outright false. For example, bottled water marketed as alkaline or purified often comes from the same municipal sources as tap water. The added processing or mineral infusion, while sounding sophisticated, often does little to improve the quality or health benefits. Similarly, expensive whitening toothpaste may contain the same active ingredients as standard versions, offering minimal additional advantages. Luxury coffee brands also exploit perceptions of exclusivity. While they may package their products with elegant designs and exotic sourcing claims, blind taste tests often reveal no significant difference between premium and standard blends. Always read the ingredient list or check the source of the product. In many cases, premium is just a marketing term with no substantial difference from standard options. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, companies have started marketing their products as eco-friendly, sustainable, or biodegradable. While some brands genuinely prioritize sustainability, others engage in greenwashing, using misleading claims to appear environmentally responsible. Products like biodegradable trash bags or compostable cups may fail to decompose in regular landfill conditions, rendering their claims meaningless. Clothing brands often promote their collections as sustainable while continuing to use practices that harm the environment, such as overproduction and reliance on synthetic materials. Similarly, vague terms like natural or green often lack regulatory oversight, making them easy for companies to exploit. Products boasting these labels may still contain harmful chemicals or rely on processes that are far from environmentally friendly. Look for third-party certifications like USDA Organic, Fairtrade, or Energy Star, which provide verified evidence of a product's claims. Check company transparency reports to ensure their practices align with their marketing. Subscription-based services, from streaming platforms to meal kits, have become a staple of modern life. While convenient, many of these services employ tactics to lock customers into paying for unnecessary features or unnoticed renewals. Some services offer free trials with hidden auto-renewal clauses that charge users immediately after the trial period ends. Cancellation policies can be deliberately complicated, involving long customer service waits or unclear steps. Additionally, bundled services may lure customers with discounts but include hidden fees that erode the savings. For example, gym memberships often require written notices and lengthy contracts to cancel, trapping users in cycles of unnecessary payments. Similarly, software subscriptions may include fine print that automatically renews licenses without notification. Always read the fine print before signing up for a subscription. Set reminders to cancel free trials and monitor your bank statements for unexpected charges. Avoid services that lack transparent cancellation policies. The beauty industry is rife with misleading claims, from anti-aging creams that promise instant results to hair growth serums with dubious success rates. Many of these products rely on placebo effects or minor temporary improvements to justify their price tags. Products labeled hypoallergenic or dermatologist-tested often lack standardized definitions or testing protocols. For instance, dermatologist-tested might mean a single test was conducted under unregulated conditions. Similarly, expensive serums and creams frequently contain the same active ingredients found in far cheaper alternatives. Another area of concern is multi-level marketing schemes that sell beauty products with exaggerated claims. These schemes often pressure individuals to buy overpriced inventory under the guise of business opportunities. Research the active ingredients and look for peer-reviewed studies to verify claims. Avoid MLM products and focus on reputable brands with transparent practices. Food products often use deceptive packaging to mislead consumers about quantity or quality. Techniques include oversized boxes with minimal contents, natural labels on highly processed foods, and claims like no added sugar that obscure high levels of natural sugars. Another common tactic is the use of vague health claims such as boosts immunity or supports heart health, which are often unsubstantiated by scientific evidence. Snack foods may use bold text to highlight low fat while being packed with sodium or artificial flavors. Portion manipulation is another trick. Single-serving packages are often marketed as healthier options, but may cost significantly more per ounce compared to standard sizes. Pay attention to serving sizes and nutritional information rather than marketing buzzwords. Be wary of health claims that lack specifics or verifiable data. Tech gadgets are another category rife with hidden scams. From expensive HDMI cables that offer no better performance than budget alternatives to smart devices with limited functionality, consumers often overpay for unnecessary features. Additionally, planned obsolescence, where devices are designed to fail or become outdated quickly, forces consumers to purchase replacements more frequently than necessary. Smartphone companies, for example, often release software updates that slow older devices, encouraging users to upgrade. Accessory pricing is another area of concern. Charging $50 for a basic charging cable or adapter exemplifies how companies exploit consumers' reliance on proprietary technology. Research product reviews and compare technical specifications before buying tech gadgets. Avoid falling for high-priced accessories that provide minimal added value. The health and wellness industry thrives on trends, often selling products with unverified claims. Supplements, detox teas, and fitness gadgets frequently promise life-changing results without solid scientific backing. For instance, detox teas often contain laxatives that may lead to dehydration rather than actual detoxification. Similarly, expensive fitness trackers may offer features that a basic model can accomplish just as well. Homeopathic remedies are another controversial category, with many lacking evidence of effectiveness beyond placebo effects. Additionally, fad diets often promote expensive supplements or meal plans while offering little long-term benefit. These diets can be unsustainable and even harmful if they involve extreme calorie restrictions. Consult healthcare professionals before trying new wellness products. Prioritize evidence-based solutions over trendy fads. Retailers often create a sense of urgency with limited edition products, convincing consumers they must act quickly or miss out. These items are frequently mass-produced with little actual scarcity, yet are sold at a premium price. For example, seasonal snacks, collector's items, or fashion pieces labeled limited edition can entice buyers into making impulsive purchases. In many cases, similar or identical products are released later under different branding or packaging. Resist impulsive buys by evaluating whether a limited edition product truly offers value. Waiting often reveals that the scarcity claim was exaggerated. Extended warranties and service plans are another area rife with deception. Retailers often upsell these as necessary protections, but they frequently overlap with existing manufacturer warranties or provide little additional benefit. For instance, an extended warranty for electronics might exclude common issues or come with high service fees that negate its value. Similarly, some home appliance service contracts require expensive deductibles for repairs that would be cheaper out of pocket. Understand what is covered under the product's standard warranty before purchasing add-ons. Often these extras are unnecessary expenses designed to boost retailer profits. Shrinkflation is one of the most insidious ways companies deceive consumers. Instead of raising prices outright, manufacturers reduce the size or quantity of a product while keeping the price the same. From snacks to toiletries, this tactic allows brands to maintain their profit margins without alarming consumers with a visible price increase. For example, a bag of chips may go from 12 ounces to 10 ounces, or a roll of toilet paper may lose several sheets per roll. Often these changes are subtle, with redesigned packaging distracting from the smaller size. The cumulative effect on consumers' wallets can be significant over time, especially when coupled with inflationary pressures. In some cases, shrinkflation doesn't just reduce quantity, it also compromises quality. To further cut costs, companies may quietly swap ingredients or materials, giving consumers a lower-grade product without warning. Pay close attention to net weight, volume, or quantity listed on packaging. Comparing unit prices can help you identify and avoid shrinkflated products, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Hidden scams in everyday products are more common than we realize, but with a little vigilance, consumers can avoid falling prey to these tactics. By reading labels, verifying claims, and doing thorough research, you can make informed decisions and save money. Awareness is your greatest tool in combating these hidden traps. What are some scams you've encountered in everyday products? Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more consumer insights. Stay smart and see you in the next video.